using the Concatenate feature in Google Spreadsheets. So what we want to do is we want all of this to be in one name over here. So we're going to go Concatenate, and then you're going to click on the first cell, which is D, D2, and then you want a space, right? So to get a space, you put a comma, then you put a quotation, a space, that's your space, then another comma. Now the next part of the field, the name, so Susan, and then we need a comma, and then we're going to need another space, then we need a comma again, and then F, and then comma, quotation, space, quotation, comma, and then Garmin is the last name. Then we close out the parentheses, and you're should see Mrs. Susan Deanne Garmin, right? Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to take this all the way down. And we got a lot of probate leads here to go through since August. So when there's only 30 of these, it's a little easier here. There we go. All right. Now the next thing we have to do, Allie, is we are going to, so that when we delete this, if we want to delete this, because if we deleted this now, it would make changes to the formula, right? So like if I said I'm going to delete these 4 rows, these would turn blank. So what I need to do is I need to go in, and I'm selecting the whole column H. I'm going to hit copy, and then you want to paste special. And when you paste the special, you only paste the format or the value, right? No, that'll paste it without formulas. Does that make sense?